First of all, open the blank space. From crop section, set the size you want. I set it to 16 to 9, the size for you to frame. Then from the sticker section, I search for the word sky. From the adjust section, set the contrast to 24 minus, brightness to 33 minus. Again, from the sticker section, search Christmas tree. I fill all the frame with as much as trees I could. Search for the word snow. Search the shadow for the shadow of trees on the snow. Now I add the photo of Taylor Swift. And from the remove option, I remove her background. For better removing, I remove the remain section with hand from erase section. Then I'm going to adjust section to adjust the photo with my background. Again, go to the adjust section and this time set the brightness to 100 minus. Then with eraser, I erase the unwanted parts like subject, but because I want the sky to be night, I don't erase it.
Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been months since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. Oh. You deserve to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. I admit that I ignored it. You deserve to be alone. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to be struggling 'cause I'm all you had.
Go to the effects,
You should know that
from blur section,
'cause it's been weeks and you're not okay. You're putting off what's coming. It's alright to be scared of being lonely. Don't you know that you deserve to be alone?
then erase the blur on the subject and two trees that are beside her.
They're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you.
Go to the colors and set it to colorize. Set it to multiply. Set the hue to 293, fade to 19. Erase the adjustments on the object. Go to the tools and from AI enhance part, enhance the quality. So this Christmas edit tutorial has finished. I hope you like it. Subscribe for more tutorials.